Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Capital One Platinum MasterCard from Capital One. And if you don't know what Capital One is, it is basically a credit card company, and you get the credit you need with no annual fee, which is they claim to be. So let's head on over here to Trustpilot to see the reviews. So the Capital One review is that it has a bad review of 1.3 stars out of 5. So this person said that no stars. Capital One absolutely allowed several credit cards to be put out in my name. They allowed fraud to be committed by several people using my name when I blah blah blah. This person said he got scammed, and this person said this the worst credit card company I've ever dealt with last month. There was fraud on my credit card. It was clearly presented, and evidence was all there documented and given to Capital blah blah blah. So these two got scammed or fraud. They sent my credit card to the wrong address. I have been Capital One user for over 30 years. My cards have been used, paid off, and used again. I recently made a large purchase. When checking my statement, my interest was over 20%. So basically, this person also got scammed. So please do not use the Capital One credit card company. All their credit cards are basically a scam. You are more prone to fraud than you are to gaining money. And yeah, that is it. That is my review on Capital One. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.